One of the most important confirmations we can get is the clarity of the strategy when entering. Sometimes losses make us even reach a margin call, but today I tested a strategy that can give you accurate and hassle-free entry. With it, you can trade with confidence and get rid of stress. If it was useful to you, be sure to give it a like to support. Very quickly add EMA 9.21 to the chart, leave it as is, nothing else is needed, and let's go to the MACD, which is important. Let's quickly go to the settings. MACD, fast length, fast average. 9 slow length, slow average. 21 signal length, signal line. 8. These are important things to remember. How does it confirm like this? When the MACD line crosses the signal line upwards, right arrow buy signal, bullish. When the MACD line crosses the signal line downwards, implies sell signal, bearish. Always use it together with EMA 9.21 and Fibonacci levels so that the signals are more accurate and error-free. Confirming the MACD signal allows us to have an accurate and low-risk entry, especially for 1-minute scalping. Let's quickly combine it to see if it gives accurate entries. MACD alone is not enough, but when combined with EMA and Fibonacci, it acts as a guiding light for your trades. Now we come to the buying and selling part, where the difference between a regular trader and a professional trader really becomes clear. 1 buy, first check the trend with EMA 9.21. When EMA 9 is above EMA 21, it indicates a short-term uptrend. Then look at the MACD with fast 9, slow 21, and signal 8 settings. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, you get an entry confirmation. Now look at the Fibonacci levels. The best entry points are usually at 0.382 or 0.5. When all the conditions are met at the same time, you are ready to enter. Remember, a precise entry with confirmation from several tools minimizes stress and losses. 2. Sell. Identify the downtrend with EMA. EMA 9 below EMA 21 implies short-term downtrend. MACD confirmation. When the MACD line crosses the signal line downwards, it is time to sell or exit. Use Fibonacci to determine your take profit and stop loss. Resistance points can be the best place to exit. Remember, selling is just as important as buying. With discipline and patience, your trades will be optimized and unnecessary losses will be reduced. 3. Combination and practice. Patience and accuracy are always the key to success. Practicing on real charts, even with small volumes, will make your mind and hand in tune with the strategy. Experience has shown that the combination of EMA plus MACD plus Fibonacci gives the best scalping signals and makes the trader more confident. With this method, your trades will be accurate, fast, and hassle-free. Practice and see how you become better and more professional every day. Now we come to one of the most important parts of scalping: exiting a trade. Many novice traders think that exiting is easy, but a mistake at this moment can wipe out all your profits. So, if you want to trade without stress and with confidence, learn how to exit correctly. First of all, always check the Fibonacci levels. When you enter a trade, set your profit and loss limits according to the FIBO. Usually the 0.382 and 0.5 levels are the best places to set your profit limits. This way, even if the market fluctuates, you can guarantee your profit without worrying. Second, MACD confirmation is important. If during a trade, the MACD line moves in the opposite direction from the signal line, it means that the trend may change. You should not ignore this signal, as it is an important signal to exit the trade. Third, use the 9.21 EMA to control the trend. When the short-term EMA, 9, starts to cross the long-term EMA, 21, in the opposite direction, it is a good time to close the trade. This combination, confirmed by the MACD, is one of the most accurate exit methods in 1-minute scalping. Fourth, controlling emotions is the key to success. You may be tempted to exit before you reach your profit or stay in a long loss. But patience and trust in the strategy will make your decisions logical and emotionless. Ultimately, exiting a trade means preserving profits and reducing losses. With constant practice, Your mind and hand will become coordinated, and you will be able to make the right decisions naturally. Each time you use this method, your scalping skills will become more and more professional. Remember, every successful trade, even if it is a small profit, increases your experience and confidence. With discipline and practice, success in scalping is guaranteed. I learned everything so far, but let's have a practical example on Ethereum that works for me too. Ethereum example. Suppose we are looking at the 1-minute chart of Ethereum. First of all, we put EMA 9.21 on the chart. When EMA 9 crosses EMA 21 and the short-term trend becomes bullish, we have the initial signal to enter the trade. Then we look at the MACD with the settings Fast 9, Slow 21, Signal 8. The MACD line moves above the signal line, which means we have the second confirmation to enter the trade. Now we draw Fibonacci on the last price move. The 0.382 level is near the current price and gives us the best point to enter the trade accurately. When all these three confirmations are met, we enter the buy trade. When all the tools are in sync, the stress and risk are reduced and you can exit the trade with confidence. Exiting the trade. Now let's see how to exit this trade. Take profit and stop loss with Fibonacci. The 0.5 and 0.618 levels are the best points for take profit. When the price reaches these levels, be ready to exit. Place the stop loss slightly below the entry point or the last support to control the risk. MACD confirmation. If the MACD line starts to cross below the signal line, it means the trend may change and it is a good time to exit. EMA 9.21. When the EMA 9 falls below the EMA 21, it is a sign that the short-term uptrend has ended, and it is better to close the trade. Final motivation. With this method, even on a volatile currency like Ethereum, you can trade with high accuracy and without any hassle, and one of the most important factors that make a pro trader profit quickly is these advanced tip and risk management. 1. Determine the trade size based on risk. Before entering, always determine the maximum amount of your capital you are willing to risk. Usually 1 to 2% of your capital per trade is a good standard. This technique allows you to preserve your capital even if you lose several trades in a row. 2. Use a trailing stop. This advanced technique allows you to automatically move the stop loss when the trade is in profit and protect your profit. In this way, even small market fluctuations do not cause you to lose profit. 3. Combine EMA and MACD to confirm risk. If EMA and MACD do not give full confirmation before entering, it is better to abandon the trade. This reduces the likelihood of mistakes and losses and keeps you focused on more accurate trades. 4. Manage multiple trades at the same time. Never open multiple high-risk trades on the same time frame. Professional technique: always have 1 or 2 trades with a controlled volume to maintain focus and ability to manage each trade. Risk management means maintaining capital and a calm mind. Every trade made with discipline and the right technique, even if it is small, is a step towards continuous profit. By following these techniques, scalping trades will not only be more profitable and accurate, but will also increase your confidence in the market and allow you to execute the strategy without stress even in volatile conditions. Well, friends, today we learned how to create a precise 1-minute scalping strategy with EMA 9.21, MACD 9.21, 8, and Fibonacci. We did the entries and exits with the confirmation of several tools and also reviewed advanced risk management tips. Remember, success in scalping means focus, patience, and discipline. By practicing and implementing these techniques, you can make accurate, stress-free, and profitable trades. Now it's your turn to open your charts and put this strategy into practice. If you learned something new from this video and want to make your scalping skills more professional, our next video is on advanced strategies and golden tips of the crypto market that can multiply your profits. Be sure to click and watch to take the next step on the path to becoming a professional.